Debbie wants to stay. Deb, can I get a tiny bit of reverb on this guitar in the monitor? Just tiny bit. Thank you. So I don't know, now I'm doing the country song. So when you're a singer-songwriter, I guess, just a tiny bit of reverb in the wedge if you can, in the guitar. You know, you write whatever comes out of you. So I write for people in town, and I do my own stuff separate. It's all good, whatever. But all right, here's the scenario. You're not driving. I have to set this up. Because I played this the other day in Virginia, and a girl said, "Oh, that's illegal." I was like, "You obviously didn't listen to the words." You're not driving. You gotta start there. You're sitting shotgun or you're sitting in the back, and you want a beer for the road. What do you call that? It's a roadie, right? It's a roadie. It's a roadie. Good. Because in New York, they're weird. But down here, everywhere else, it's a roadie. So I wrote this song called Roadie for the Road. And we just, yeah, let's check it out. So we haven't recorded this yet. You tell me if it's recordable. Tell me if it's worth anything. Here's how it goes. See if I don't play this off. Grab a roadie for the ride. If I don't have to drive, I'm having one on the way. How the hell did we get here? It's a mystery to me. I got a shot and a cold beer. Bartender says it's for free. Now I'm up for some flirting. She's looking alright. One thing's for certain, we got some places to get to tonight. So grab a roadie for the road. Come on, let's go. Man, I ain't got all day. Grab a roadie for the ride. If I don't have to drive, I'm having one on the way. Right? Aren't you all? I hope you are. Oh, let's go downtown to Casey's. No bartender there. We'll be alright, it's okay. She treats me like a millionaire. And I'm still feeling sober. The next round's on me. And there's a town, one town over. And there's a little girl I'd like to see. Tonight a roadie for the road. Come on, let's go. Man, I ain't got all day. Grab a roadie for the ride. We don't have to drive, we're having one on the way. Is it the breeze in your hair? The sun up above? Feel what I'm feeling, babe. Could this be love? Is it the moon in your hair? Stars in your eyes? Just don't ask me more questions, Mama. I'll only tell you more lies. Last call in the bar. Man, that beer wasn't so cheap. And I know we'll be home soon, so I need one more to put me to sleep. Grab a roadie for the road. Come on, let's go. Man, I ain't got all day. Grab a roadie for the ride. If I don't have to drive, I'm having one on the way. So grab a roadie for the road. Come on, let's go. Man, we ain't got all day. Grab a roadie for the ride. We don't have to drive, we're having one. 'Cause we're having so much fun.